Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Philinbas Land, looking for a 1,000 square meter lot in Mission Hills, Havila, Antipolo City. Tara, let me show you. So mga kabahay, before we go to the available resale lot in Santa Barbara, let me show you first the amenity area of Mission Hills. Mga kabahay, nandito na tayo sa pinaka main gate ng Santa Barbara. So doon po banda ang clubhouse. So tara, pasok po tayo. So tara mga kabahay, puntahan natin yung available na resale lot namin here in Santa Barbara. So walking distance lamang po siya from the gate. So if you notice, marami pa mga available na lot or marami pang vacant lot here in Santa Barbara. Kasi mostly ang mga nakabili dito is for investment ang purpose at hindi kaagad nila pinapatayuan ng house and lot. Yan yung under construction house. And yung available na resale lot namin here in Santa Barbara is ito na po. So yung mga kabahay, again, I'm Agent J, and yung available namin na resale lot here in Santa Barbara is ito na sa likod ko. Lot cut is 1,078 square meter, located in Block 4, Lot 10. Tara po, silipin natin. So yung mga kabahay, if you're interested with this property, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Again, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation. Thank you for watching and bye!